give another word that called as anti, which means against. When we talk about anti, it is known as against and negative in term. So using with anti, we can form many of the words like we can say antipathy, antipathy, P-H-E-H-Y. Now, what do you mean by antipathy? It's called as a strong dislike. Strong dislike. When I say that strong dislike, how it is? Because anti means called as against and path means called as emotion. So in that case, we can say antidote, antithesis, something that goes against, or we say that antipodal, antinatalism, antinomian, anti-pollution, antiseptic, antinomies, antibody, and anticlimax. Likewise, using with path also we can say sympathy, empathy, pathogenic, pathology, pathetic, apathetic, isn't it? So all such kind of words can be formed using with all these words means anti and path. So here anti could be known as a means a root word against and path means called as emotion. So therefore antipathy means strong dislike. Likewise, we have also antithesis, Thesis. So when I say antithesis, it means against the theory or called as a direct opposite. Direct opposite. Direct opposite. So how you can say that anti means against and thesis is called as a theory. Theory means believing on a particular text. So theme, believing in a particular um, means ideas, thesis, theology, theme, taste, a taste, isn't it? So all such kind of words can be known as antithesis, anti and thesis, right? So both have two different root words. Anti is generally known as a guest, and thesis is called as a belief on a theory. So similar to that, we have also antipodal. Antipodal. Uh, Antipodal is called as the opposite sides. Uh, Similar to that, antinatalism. Antinatalism. So opposite to, you can say that the procreation, opposite to procreation, opposite to procreation. That's called as antinatalism. Uh, like antinatalism, we have also antinomian, antinomian. So when I say that antinomian, it's called as rejecting religion laws, right? We have also anti-pollution, anti-pollution. So when we said that anti-pollution, that called against pollution. Similar to that, when we talk about antiseptic, antiseptic is generally known as a septic is infection, and antiseptic is called as preventing or means against the infection or preventing infection. Similar to that, antinomics, antinomics. So what is that? That called as a contradiction between nomies, means principles. Contradiction between principles is known as antinomies. And when we say that antibody, so I can say that antibody is called as a fight against infection, right? So like that also we can talk about anticlimax. When I say anticlimax, it's called as a disappointing end, right? Disappointing end, disappointing end, right? So this is what you can say that anti using with the anti as a root, which means against. Like I said, that antipathy, antithesis, antipodal, natalism, antinomian, antipolar, and antiseptic, right? And antinomides, and antibody, and anticlimax. Hope you got uh, somehow called as a 10 to 12 watts, and also some more watts into it, right? Just move to the next one. Okay, this is again called